Here's one more of Kaylee, and we're going to do some fun vintage things on this one too. The first thing I'm going to fix is this little bit of bird poop on here because I notice it. So I'm bringing the opacity up to 100%, and I'm just going to sample near it. And maybe this one too. There. Now I feel less bothered, so we can move on. I'm going to show you one of Pioneer Woman's really vintagey actions, and this one is almost always too much straight off the bat, but the Vintage Summer is kind of a fun one. You just have to play with the opacities a little bit, but obviously that's too much, it's blown out. If you just pull the opacity back of the whole thing, that helps. And then in here there's a spotlight. You can see that really brings a lot of light to her face. So I'm going to pull that back just a little bit. And then go to the darken layer. Darken the whole thing just until I like how it looks. So here's before and after. It's a pretty easy way to get a really strong vintage feel to your photos. So I'm just going to leave it right there. Flatten it and sharpen it. And her eyes look nice and crisp, and they actually have some great sparkle, especially with the shade of her hat there. So this is a photo you could play with a lot and have a lot of fun with and do a lot of different sorts of actions. So there is the before, and there's the after with the vintage feel.